Nakikipag-usap ka sa telepono o pumipindot ka lang?
Hindi po. Sila po yung tumatawag sa mismong ano
Anong
po.
hindi po? Dalawa kasi yung sinabi.
Telepono po.
Sumasagot ka na.
Sumasagot.
Okay.
So, English o ano?
International account.
Sige nga. Number 2, kunyari
Kausapin
tatawag
mo,
ka kay
tawag
number
ka.
1. Paano mo siya kakausapin?
Okay.
Ayan na. Sasagutin ni number 1. Hello?
Sa Viber pa tumawag.
Good afternoon. This is Ange M, your intake representative. How can I assist you today?
You can't help me.
Mataray. Wala pa. Mataray na. Grabe naman
Ganon,
siya.
matari tayo, di ba?
You can't help me.
Oo. Paano sumagot ka? Sabi niya, you can't help me.
I do apologize. I cannot understand your thoughts.
Your apologize don't help my problem.
Masugit pa rin.
Paano ba i-handle yung
sige.
ganyan ano?
Oh.
I do apologize for that inconvenience, but since I got you on the line, I can definitely help you in my own perspective.
No!
No, Ana!
How can she help me if she don't know my concern?
That's why I'm asking first, how can I assist you today?
You don't need to say inconvenience.
At the inconvenience store,
Sinasagot ka niya. Tinatalakan ka niya sa telepono.
I am customer here. I can fly.
I am customer here.